Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a timesheet on monday.com. First, open monday.com and head to your workspace, then open the sample project board so we're starting from a familiar place. You don't need any special setup here, just make sure you're on a board within the correct workspace so the new timesheet will be created where your team can access it. Now look for the plus icon in your monday.com interface. Depending on your layout, you'll see it in the left sidebar or at the top bar. This is the add button that lets you create new boards and items. Click that plus icon to open the creation menu. When the menu appears, hover your mouse over board. Hovering highlights the board options and brings focus to templates, which is what we need. Instead of creating an empty board from scratch, we're going to speed things up. Click Start with Template. This opens the Template Center, which is a gallery of ready-made boards designed for common workflows. In the search bar at the top, type Timesheet. Searching helps you skip scrolling and go directly to the relevant options. You should now see a timesheet template in the results. Click the timesheet template to open its details page. On the details page, review the description and preview to make sure it fits what you need. Most timesheet templates include columns for the person, date, task or project, start and end times, and total hours, which you can customize later. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will add the timesheet to your workspace and create a new board based on that template. Give it a moment to generate. Once it opens, you can start recording time entries right away or adjust columns and groups to match your process. For example, you might rename groups by week or client, tweak the time tracking columns, or add automations later to some hours for payroll or invoicing. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the plus icon or the template center, you may need permission to create boards. Reach out to your account admin. Also, keep your timesheet in the same workspace as the teams who will use it so sharing and notifications work smoothly. And that's it. You've opened your project, used the add menu, started with a template, timesheet, searched for timesheet, selected it, and applied it to your workspace. You're all set to track hours consistently across your projects.